Operating your hard disk drives in a redundant array, so-called RAID, is always a good idea to save your valuable data. You can do this on direct attached RAID boxes, on enterprise systems with RAID controllers, or with network attached storage, so-called NAS. So in case of a media failure, you can still continue with your data. It's still present. But here is one important thing. RAID in any form is not a backup. So your RAID box can fail, your controller can fail, your RAID box can be flooded or stolen. So it's very important to do a backup of your RAID box. You can do this to any external component, like a Toshiba Canvio 2.5-inch external drive, or into the cloud, or to another RAID box. But it's important to do it. Please remember, RAID is not a backup. Thank you.